Hello everyone, it is Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be making two Christmas cards. I also did utilize some images that I was able to cut out on my Cricut Explore one that I'm going to be utilizing for the front of the card. I will also be using some white matte acrylic paint that I'm going to be using for the background, and of course my sentiment to complete the design. Is very simple. If you, in case you just want to go ahead and get some royalty free images, Christmas images on Google or however you want to do it, and then just fussy cut it out or use your Cricut, then yes, that is an option for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be my first one. So what I would like to do at this point is go ahead and use my houses on here, like so. Okay, just very simple. I'm going to use my, uh, my Tombow Mono Liquid Glue, and I will get those houses on here. Again, I use my Cricut because it's just, for me, it was just a way to kind of help speed things up just a smidge, or to just kind of free me to do something else. So, that is always an option. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get this on here. Now also, if you would like, you can add other little, other little things on there if you wish, like Christmas tree, anything else you want. Okay. And I will go ahead and get the other one done. This time I'm going to use the balls on here so that we can see how that comes out. Again, I had this done, cut out with my Cricut. So that was just, the easiest thing to do at this point in time. So here we have the other one, which is the Christmas balls. And I do have a piece of a ball here that I'm going to kind of tuck underneath part of this on the side here. If it does want to lift, that will definitely be helpful. So it kind of looks like it's overlapping. And then this one, I will go ahead and add a little glue on there. And I can always get this one stuck a little higher up. Okay, so here we have the two. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and utilize the white matted ink. Let me see. I may not need all of that water, but let's see. I'm going to be creating basically a sort of a snow effect. Hopefully I'll get the snow effect done. Just no telling. Now this is a little messy, so just be careful, because when you go, doing your dabbing around, it might get on a whole bunch of stuff like I did the last time. So basically all you do is just kind of, dab it on your hand so you can get the snowy effect. That's one. And I'm going to do the other. Sometimes my hand hurts, so I just try to do it otherwise. And I have everything just falling apart with all of this. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set this here for a minute. There is one more thing I do want to do. You see, everywhere has this paint on it. So that's why, when you're getting that done, just be very careful. So I'm just going to try to wipe out the main, big white blotches all over the place. Then I am going to grab, this is just a, regular piece of, 65-pound cardstock. I'm going to go ahead and start tearing some out of it, and I'll show you exactly what I will be doing with that. This is going to be kind of acting as a snow bound, snow, you know, whatever you want to call it, snow. So I kind of like fluffing it up a little bit. I'm now going to get some glue. And for this one, I'm going to utilize it on this one here. So this is kind of like snow kind of thing. So this is going to be the effect of the snow. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the excess on here. So now you can see that we have like a little snow mountainy thing. Now the other card, I don't need the snow thingy. I mean, I could pretty much add a very thin, you know, like at the bottom here. Maybe we can add it just barely on the bottom like this. Yeah, so let's try that. I also do have it's unfortunate, again, I keep losing stuff. It really doesn't matter. But you can also tuck a little Christmas tree here, you know, just little extra stuff. Maybe I can cut out one of those really quickly so you can see. Excuse me. Okay, so let's get some glue on, and we're going to just tuck that little Christmas tree in really nicely. Hopefully everything has not stuck completely yet. And this is just an example. You see, you can stick a tree here, maybe a little tree down there, just things like that. So this is the tree. And then I'm going to add the sentiment on here right now to complete the design. I'm going to actually get it stamped up here. Okay, so this is the first one. So again, this is very simple. It is not complicated at all. And I shall also use the other option for the stamp. This one says season greetings. And there you have two nice designs, Christmas designs. So once you can get the images and you can cut them out, you can use this paper here to give sort of a snow mountainy effect. Use white acrylic paint and just go ahead and make a nice liquidy, you know, make it in a way that it would be able to actually, you know, spread basically. You know, like when you dab the brush, it will fall off. And then that's really all you need. So that is it, guys. So just trying to get this to behave itself. So two lovely but quick Christmas cards that you can make from home. So thank you so much for joining me. I shall see you guys next week. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall be back. Bye.